Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today because we're going to draw a cute dog together. They're playful, lovable, and always bring a smile. So, grab your markers and let's jump right in. I hope you had as much fun drawing it as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks! And now let's draw some more. On the left, you'll find a playlist with more other cute animal drawings. And on the right, YouTube picked out a video just for you. So check it out. See you in the next video. Bye!